Memory setter, we have some new signals. So watch this video. This is only for education purpose. We don't recommend any trade. The first one I go into is MU. So the MU first we look. Basically, they shake out the people. They shake out the people, and they actually going upward. Actually, today is a signal to enter. Why? Because we go above the red change upward, and this free line is going upward. So number one. Number two, YM big buy already above zero, and YM cheapest already above this line. So today is one of the buy signal. But remember, when we buy with the red line, okay, we use red line for signal, then we sell with the red line. You don't change to long term. This one is a short term trade. Okay, so because we are not buying really low, remember. So here we have a buy signal here. This is MU. The second stock I want to go into is SNDK. Today I'm going to cover four stocks. So SNDK. Uh, SNDK. Okay, so today we talk about PS also. MU, SNDK, which one has a bit higher PS is SNDK, have a bit higher PS. So about 17 and MU is about 14 so far. So basically SNDK is a bit more expensive and the chart basically is more or less the same. But I want to show you why it looks so slow. And the first stock I want to mention is Hynix. Hynix is a Korean stock. The PS is lower than this two stock and basically it means cheaper, but it has been up quite a while. So that one is a Korean stock. So you can check in your country, do you have a related ETF? Or you can also buy memory ETF, which called DRAM. And that one, they cover few memory companies. So take really long today. SNDK. So we have a buy signal here this day, right? But it's not really clear because it's under zero and this is up under this line. So I did not mention in my channel. But today also, not today, the signal actually, you can see this candle like yesterday. They already go above the red and the red changed the direction. So this is a very good sign and this trying to go above zero. So this is like a semi buy signal, okay? Because this is not yet above zero. So this is SNDK. So the other one is Hynix. Hynix is one of the best memory stock, but go do your research. This is only for education for the child. I'm not going too deep into the what's the company actually do it. So this is a Korean stock. Okay, this one. So also it's very strong actually. The first buy point actually is here. This is won. This is not US dollar. And now they go above this red line and the red line is doing upward. So this three is more or less the same thing, but the PS is different. The cheapest is this one, SK Hynix. The second one is MU. The third one is SNDK, but do your research because the price keep changing. So maybe it will change a little bit. And myself, I bought this one because this one is Hynix daily two times. But don't follow me because you don't have, if you don't have my indicator, don't follow me because I use a short-term strategy. And this one I bought here. I bought here. I use very short-term strategy here. Okay. So this is says this is a Hong Kong stock, by the way. So another one is a US stock. It's a ETF to cover the memory company. This one. Look at that. This is quite new. That's why I did not do it on my channel. But something interesting. First, the red line going upward. We don't have blue line because this stock is kind of new. This ETF is new, launched from April. Okay, they go upward here, and this one is half go above zero. So basically, this is not perfect buy signal, but because this is going upward, so we can use this to stop gain or cut loss. So this is good. If you don't have my indicator, you can also see we have a big jump up. This is the gap, right? So you can use we just go above the previous peak here. Basically, you see here, it's possible they come back down here as a support. Okay, so but the support should not go under this gap. Okay, this is the gap. Okay, the gap level is the lower price is 54.29, so which is the highest price of this candle. Okay, so this is the update today. I hope you like this video. Let me see again the SND. This is Hynix PS 4.2. Okay, so 4.2, and this is forward PS, and this is another PS 8.23 to 10. Okay, and if we look into this one, this one is MU. So you see here is 14.7 to 20. And another one, SNDK. So you can compare, are they really expensive with this method? We use PS because they don't have profit yet, right? So PS here, 17 to 18. So you can know more or less the price, which one is more expensive. But to be more accurate, use the Yahoo Finance or any finance company. Don't use AI. I use AI just to want to post you very quickly for this video so you can make your decision today. Okay, so click like right now and see you next video. Bye.